Hi everyone, I thought I would show you me redoing my little crystal garden, Zen garden thing. I've changed the substrate. I had loads of this gravel left over from doing my fish tank, and I like the fact it's like a charcoal grey, and I thought that would look quite nice against the crystals. So I filled the bottom with this gravel like so, because I think this will really make like the colours of the crystals pop and everything. And then I can arrange my crystals in here however I want. So let's have a look. I don't know whether to have like this one is my central one. Let me show you what that looks like so far. See how it really makes the colour of the crystals stand out? I need something to go in that corner there. Maybe if I have my chunk of blue calcite there. So I could have it like that. That's one way to display it. Not sure if there's anything else I want to add to this or anything. I do kind of like it how it is. Just trying to think if there's any other interesting pieces I've got. No, I think that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this I think for a bit and use it to display some of my more interesting crystals. Yeah, quite like the look of that. That'll look quite nice on my table. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Just a simple display idea for crystals. Hope I gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching, and bye for now.